Hello, everyone. Welcome to our lesson on one of the most fundamental parts of speech, the noun. In this video, we'll explain what is a noun, with translations and examples from Hindi to English. Nouns are everywhere. They are essential building blocks for forming sentences in both Hindi and English. Understanding them is the first step toward mastering any language. In Hindi, a noun is called sangya, sangya, but a simpler way to think of it is the nam, which means name. A noun is essentially a naming word. A noun is a word used to name a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. We will break down these four categories with both Hindi and English examples. Let's start with person. In Hindi, this is vyakti. Any name or term referring to an individual is a noun. Examples include proper nouns like Ram, Sita, or common nouns like teacher, doctor, or friend. These words name specific or general people. Ram, Sita, and teacher. Shikshak. Pay attention to how the words are spelled and pronounced in both languages. Next up is place. This is sthan in Hindi. This category includes cities, countries, buildings, or general locations. Common examples are Delhi, school, or city. Whether it's a specific capital or a general area, if it names a location, it's a noun. Delhi, school, and city, shahar. Notice that some English words like school are often used directly in Hindi conversation as well. Our third category is animal or janwar in Hindi. This includes all living creatures that are not human. Think of common animals like dog, cat, or lion. These are all nouns used to identify species or individual pets. Dog, kutta, cat, billi, and lion, sher. Learning these simple translations helps build foundational vocabulary in both languages. Finally, we have thing, which is vastu in Hindi. This includes objects, concepts, qualities, or ideas. Examples are book, chair, phone, or even abstract ideas like happiness or freedom. If you can name it, it's likely a noun. Book, kitab, chair, kursi, and phone minus phone. Again, notice the integration of English words into spoken Hindi, and there you have it. The four main types of nouns: person, place, animal, and thing. Remember, a noun is a name given to any person, place, animal, or thing. In Hindi, sangya is the word for name. Now that you know the basics, try identifying the nouns in these practice sentences. Keep learning and see you in the next lesson.